population census, which was carried out in 2018, it found out that we had 1,063 mountain gorillas in the whole world, of which half of that population is found here.
G'day folks, Andy here. Welcome to Andy Roams. Today a bit of a different vlog for you. I have done a full vlog on my gorilla experience in Uganda in 2025 with Big Apes Africa, and that one followed me through the full day and had a lot of explanation. Well, I'm only going to talk at the start and the end this time. In this vlog, I wanted to share as much footage of the gorillas with you as possible and as much raw footage. So there's no music, there's not much in the way of voiceover except for now, but you're just going to follow me in, see the gorillas, and that'll be the vlog. Because I had quite a bit of footage. Some of it's not great, but I wanted to include as much of it as I could because I thought it made for really interesting viewing, and personally I wanted to have a record of as much of the gorilla footage that I thought was even half decent in one place. You'll see footage from my DJI action camera, my Nikon DSLR and my Pixel 6a phone. So come with me into Bwindi Impenetrable forest as I track with my group the Messiah family of gorillas. It's an unforgettable experience.
Back at home. So we have the antelopes as well, we have the bush pigs, and then we have the baboons. So those are the animals which are found here in the Bwindi. But we only guarantee our guests of seeing a mountain gorilla. They fed on this. So when we were talking of food leftovers, these are the food leftovers. So when the truckers reach here, they see that the gorillas came from up past here. One of them fed from here, then continued down. So at least now I have good trackers. You are able to tell the sign. So at least we have seen two signs so far: the burnt vegetation and the food left over. For this plant, they feed on its inner. They feed on the stem. So you see they have left its bark. So they peel off and eat the stem. Then they do this. So when the trackers reach here, they see this and they'll be able to tell that it's a gorilla which fed. Here we are. Prepare yourself for viewing. All right. Thank you. So welcome to this point. We are now with the trackers. And when you see the trackers, the gorillas are close by now. So let us prepare ourselves, ready for viewing.
Oh my God. Just watch out the needles.
Do you have that one?
Yeah.
Give it to me. Take photo.
Beautiful, aren't they? Oh, yeah. Sunset behind. Oh.
Concerned someone was going to steal his leaf. They're not supposed to be close, right?
It touched your jaw. Yeah, you've been touched by a gorilla. Touched by a gorilla.
Too full. Look what in there.
Where are the other four? What? Did you just say?
Anapenda color blue.
Yeah, I think so. Fancy
He
too,
loves
that.
the color. Yeah.
When I took a baby, the bear. Not me in one of the pictures.
Hiyo inakuja kelele kama gorilla. Alafu mimi kwa grupu ya Kenya. Look at that now, look.
Just these sides. Bit like that. Baby.
Yeah. Look, almost.
Cool.
It's all right, Dad will save it. Not.
Oh, we got down eventually.
Bit of action over there.
Well, I think it was the blackback back there. Yeah.
Cut down eventually.
Just.
Hata moja na miezi 8 siku.
Kama bakuja hapo bangalia. Manaangalia mzuri.
Like my 2 grandsons.
Okay.
face. Oh,
Gorilla guardian.
did we go back the same way we came?
We're going to try and catch them. Someone connect to the trail.
And there you go, folks. We're leaving from here. The footage from my phone is yet to come, but thank you for joining me on this one. As always, please do comment, subscribe and like the video. It's very much appreciated. Take care wherever you may be in this world right now. May the journey never end.
Thank you.